demise. I do not know why. I will try to stay afloat in the coupe going to the moon. I will be there in a second, I'm gon' show up very soon. Don't doubt me, I'm gon' be winning forever and ever. I am not finished though, I feel like I am on Mars. I got potential, I am going to go far. Gon' be rich in a minute, for real, yeah, on God. Yeah. I see my ops, gonna give him a greeting. Pulling up in a Bentley or a van. I'm pulling up in a Benz or a Lamb. I got the Smith & Wesson, I'm a fan. Bro gon' get caught like in a second. Bro swerving inside an intersection. Bro on the whip, gon' get whipped with a blade. Bro is upset, he ain't going to win. Homie got choppers, yeah, homie got sticks. Bro is so mad, he is throwing a fit. Bro is and now he is not getting lit. Bro falling into a bottomless pit. I'm in a belly, don't know where to sit. I am so cold, rolling on my wrist. I got every one of my ops on a list. Run up on my ops, gotta flip the switch. Gonna run my ops right into a ditch. They really better be prepared. I could get less if they really pull up on me. I am not scared. Feeling like Christopher Columbus. I discovered my ops land in the layer. They got the 4-5 on them. Yeah, I really do not care. Oh, I really do not care. When they pull up on me, I am not scared. But they got like 20 of their homies. That's not fair. I'm falling from the sky. I don't know why. I will try to stay afloat. I will not fall. It's almost time for my demise.